lab is Flame Diagnostics Lab. As the name suggests, the aim is to investigate flames. With the flames means which can be any kind of flames, like that is available in rocket engines or in any kind of gas turbine engines or even a cooking flame. So we work in three areas of research. One is based on the clean combustion, the other is on propulsion devices like gas turbine. And this burner at this lab is set up to investigate flames of fundamental nature. That is, we are not looking into the real engine flames, but we try to simplify the burner into some smaller models which we can understand. So the importance of this lab is we can have small standard burners set up in this lab, and we can do laser diagnostic investigation. For example, what you see here is a laser that is being used for capturing flow field, velocity field. We have two-dimensional velocity field that can be investigated using a combination of laser, burner and the camera here. We have two laser diagnostic facilities here in IAST. One is called Advanced Propulsion and Laser Diagnostics Lab, where currently we can do only cold flow experiment. That means without any kind of flames due to safety limitations. But in this lab, we have the permission to burn fuels. That means we can have flames being investigated using lasers. Indigenous in the sense the burner that is being used is indigenously built. It has been developed here and currently we have applied for patent for that. But the lasers, these are all standard laser, very expensive lasers. For example, the laser that you are seeing here is almost something like 30 to 40 lakhs. And laser diagnostics is unique. Not many labs in India have laser diagnostics, mainly because you need a huge amount of expertise to do these kind of diagnostics. And also the investment is extremely high. For example, if you look into any of the labs being currently developed in other institutes, they always start with PIV, the particle image velocimetry. But when I have to bring in notice, because this setup that you see, it will give only velocity in two directions. But the flame being turbulent in nature, it is a three-dimensional phenomenon. So that means if you want to purely understand what is happening in the flame, you need to have facility for looking into all the three dimensions, which the current facility cannot be used. So like I said, there is a huge scope for improvement. So right now, if at the forefront, if you look into the labs in Europe or in US, they are looking into high speed, and it's also in three-dimensional. So that the future, we would like to develop this burner, because this is a model burner that is being used to replicate the events happening in a real gas turbine engine, for example, aircraft engine or for power generation. So this, in that regard, is a simplified model, but which can be developed further for gas turbine application. So we want to develop this burner further for multiple fuels, because climate change being a huge issue now, this burner has a huge scope for developing it into a clean combustion kind of burner. So for that, we need to make it into high pressure environment, because all the practical application, these burners are set in high pressure condition. So we have to test it in high pressures and also with multiple fuels to see whatever we are seeing in very simplified conditions, we can project it or expand it into realistic condition. That needs to be done in the future, but that is a step-by-step movement, step-by-step advancement.